Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy TJ here. Today we are going to be getting the fitment just right on the Civic. Gonna start adjusting. I already got a tire off, as you can see here. So we're gonna go over here. I'm gonna make these bad boys a little bit stiffer and lower it a little bit to get the fitment just right. So yeah, let's hop right into it and show you all the work. Okay, so now we're up under here. We're going to be adjusting preload because it needs to be a little bit more stiffer. Then we're gonna loosen this and lower it down. So let's get to it. Alright guys, let's see if one turn does it. Hopefully it does. I'm gonna put the tire on, check the fitment, and see how it turns out.
Depo on the beat.
So one turn didn't do it. I'm definitely gonna have to go back in and readjust. This is the fun part about having coilovers, adjusting them. So let's get down to it and do it again. Okay guys, while I was away, I played around with it because I didn't want to make a whole long video about adjusting these. But I have to move the car around a little bit, let it settle down. I adjusted the preload up, and I also adjusted these down. So time to do the other side. And the reason I did that side first is so I can get my measurements, because this fender is rolled. So yeah, it's pretty bad right there. But yeah, I'm gonna take this side off, get this side adjusted. I got new lug nuts for it and everything. So yeah, we're gonna get this one squared away. So let's hop into it. And any kind of comments y'all have, just let me know. Sorry, I'm trying to get out of here. It's getting kind of late. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, just upgraded the headlights to some ultras. just RIP Headlight. But yeah, got the coilovers adjusted, got the headlights replaced. Time to put it down and go home. Ow, damn lift, just hit my head. Okay guys, so we got the coilovers adjusted. I drove it home, and now we're gonna go out and look at the final product. Wasn't too hard. Probably wouldn't recommend doing that without proper jack. But there you go. Nice, tucked. If I went any lower, I was gonna rub. But yeah, that's what it looks like, guys. A little bit of adjustment. I played around with it a lot. Didn't film all of it because it would have been a really long video. I have a solution for my bumper from popping out. That's coming up soon, but just to give you all an update, the next couple of videos are going to be a little different. I'm going to try to do maybe some reaction videos maybe, but for now, to get the intake manifold on, to get the fuel system all hooked up, I need to order some AN lines with some AN fittings. Probably going to use Vibrant. I heard they're pretty good and pretty decent priced fuel lines. Other than that, not much else going on with the car for now. I might do a window tinting video here shortly. I'm gonna just get the front windows tinted, put an eyebrow on the car, and then worry about that fender on the right side. As you all know, the fender's pretty beat up, pretty bad. But other than that, that's going down. I also have to let y'all know, I do not have second gear. Yeah, second gear is pretty bad. It doesn't even engage, and I will show y'all that it does not engage. It's pretty bad. So it's in first, and this is second. I'm gonna let off the clutch. It just grinds. Yeah, I don't know what that means, but just gonna get a new transmission. I found one reasonably priced. I'm gonna talk them down a little bit, but if you have a transmission in the Texas area, let me know, and I definitely need one. But that's gonna do it for this YouTube video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, share the video, and I will catch y'all on the next video. Any comments, put them down there in the comments. But today's video was pretty straightforward and simple. Probably not the best quality. I can do better, and I'm gonna start doing better for you guys, because I know that everybody's looking for some good content out there. So I'm gonna start trying to up my game with content, maybe get a different camera and go from there. But if y'all have any suggestions, please let me know. I'm always messing around on the YouTube, so feel free to comment. But thank you, and again, like, subscribe, share the video, and I'll catch y'all on the flip side.